What is up? My name is Mike and today I'm in Bangkok, Thailand. I plan to go around the city and see two of the most famous temples. This is the hotel I booked. It is on Khao San Road. It is called the Dang Derm Hotel. I've stayed here a few times in the past. This room cost me 750 baht or about 21 US dollars. It's in a good location and it has a pool on the roof, so if you want to stay on Khao San Road, you might want to check this hotel out. Khao San Road on Monday morning. It's about 11 a.m. It's a much different scene here today. What is up, everyone? And today I plan to go do temple hopping. So as I mentioned earlier in this video or in another video, I've been to Bangkok several times and I've actually been to most of the major sites in the city more than once. But today I'm going to do a video going to a couple of them. So today I plan to go to Wat Pho, or Wat Pho I think it is, and Wat Arun. They are pretty much right next to each other. You just have to take a boat over the river. The other big ones are the Grand Palace, which I might end up walking by just because it's near some of the other places I'm going to go, and the Golden Mountain. I'm not going to either one of these. The Grand Palace is like 500 baht to enter, and the Golden Mountain you have to walk up a lot of stairs, and I've been there a couple times. I'm not so sure it's worth it. It's not bad. If you've never been, go once, but I don't think I'm going to go today. The other thing I might try and do is go to Chinatown, do a little bit of tour around Chinatown and get lunch. So let me maybe get a car or a bike and head over to my first stop. Alright, so I got a grab bike. It cost me 37 baht, which is just over $1 US. It was walkable. It's just over a mile. It would have taken me about 20-25 minutes to walk here, but it's hot out and I don't want to waste so much time walking today. I want to do a couple of things. So I'm here. I'm going to go buy a ticket and go inside. 200 baht, cash only. So I'm just going to walk around and check out the grounds a little bit. This place is known for its large reclining Buddha, and it's got a lot of cool statues all over the place. And at the end of my visit here, I'll go inside and see the big, large reclining Buddha. They do have guided tours here. I'm not sure if they are for free or there's a cost involved. I didn't ask about them. Oh, today is Monday. It's about 11:30 right now. These are some statues that are in yoga poses, and they are all over the place here. Here's another one. And there are QR codes that you could scan and get some information. That one doesn't look very good, though. I don't know if that one will actually scan. But this one. I don't know what these things are, but I always liked them. I don't know why. I remember the first time I was in China like 12 years ago, I bought like a little statue like this guy. I had it sitting on my computer desk for a long time. Some more of these yoga statues. These are some big guys. They look like they're guarding something. Let's see. Have to remove the shoes to go into this one. We have a big seated Buddha. These yoga guys are everywhere. But I'm going to head in and check out the reclining Buddha now, and then move on to the next place. Okay, so you go in here and you have to take your shoes off. They give you this shopping bag to put them in. And I guess they give girls these covers for their shoulders if they're wearing something where their shoulders are exposed. So this is the massive reclining Buddha. I don't know how big it is. It looks like it's at least 60 feet long though. Sorry. This is a long line to enter the middle viewing area. I don't know why. I guess there's photo points. I'm not taking a photo, so I'm good. Some big feet. This is the bottom of the feet. They got some engravings, inlays rather. You can only go in one direction, so you just kind of circle the Buddha. And you can put coins in these different pots. This is the backside of the pillow that Buddha is laying on, and it's got some flower designs with some stones in them. So if you want to go to the other Wat, this is Pho. You just cross over the street and you go down this way towards the river, and there's a boat, and the boat will take you right across the river. It's really easy and it's really cheap. So let's go and check that out now. So this is where you go and buy your ticket for the ferry across the river. So this is where I'm going. I bought my ticket to get across the river. It was 5 baht, which is 14 cents, so really cheap. And it only takes about a minute to get across. Directly off the boat is the box office to buy a ticket to enter the Wat. Ladies, please dress appropriately. Alright, so I'm at Wat Arun. Last time I was here, it was under some kind of construction, so it looks a little bit better now without all the netting and cranes and stuff. It costs 100 baht to get in, which is just under $3. It's crowded, a lot of people here. Well, let's go inside and check it out. It's like a photo shoot here. There's a couple other spots where I just saw a ton of people taking pictures. All right, you can climb up. I don't remember how far up you're allowed to climb. Guess we'll find out in a minute. It looks like you're only allowed to go up these stairs. I don't see anybody up any higher than that. These people are all in like some kind of costumes. People behind me too. A bunch of people out on the lawn outside too were all in costumes. The first one I saw that was in a costume, I thought it was like wedding pictures or something. It was a couple, like a man and a woman. But now I've seen about 100 other people in the same type of costume, so these steps are very steep. I'm gonna go up them. Got a little statue greeting us. And honestly, I don't even think I'm gonna stay up here. It's just people just taking pictures everywhere. So I'm not sure if today's a special day or anything, but there's just hundreds of people dressed up in these costumes taking pictures. I've seen a couple like professional photographers, so I'm guessing they're for hire, and this is something that people do here for fun. They come here dressed up and they get pictures. Otherwise these guys wouldn't just be here expecting to be able to get work. These are like the statues over on the other side of the river at the other Wat. You go inside here. You gotta take your shoes off. Let's see what kind of Buddha's in here. A sitting Buddha. Some really nice grounds here, very well manicured. Well, you gotta ring it, right? At least we gotta try and ring it. Alright, so I'm done with the Wats for today. I want to get something to eat, so I'm actually thinking I'm going to get a boat, go down to Chinatown. Chinatown is on the river, so I should be able to cross the river and get a boat up the river a little bit and go to Chinatown. So I have to pay 5 baht and get the ferry across the river. I took a Grab car instead of a boat to Chinatown. It was just a little bit easier. Here are a few of the meals I had when I was in Bangkok. Everything was really good. I really enjoy the food in Thailand overall. This is my last video from Bangkok. My next video, I head over to Hong Kong and I spend a couple of days there. Thanks for watching this video, and hopefully I see you in my next video from Hong Kong. See you soon.